Hi guys. Okay, one more unboxing of our monthly yarn subscriptions. This one is from KnitWise. It is a month to month. You have to cancel if you don't want to get the next month. This is interesting. This one is a $12 a month, free shipping. You get 2 cakes. They're imported from Italy. They're from basic to soft to novelty yarns. This one I had a 15% off coupon. So I only paid $10.20 for this. So I am really kind of curious as to what's in this one. It has a little shake to it there. So let's see what we got. And of course, with all these subscriptions, usually if you do more than a 1 month at a time, you get a discount on the monthly price. But this definitely falls well within our $25 a month subscription. Oh, okay, here we go. Ooh, wow. White chocolate peanut butter cups. No sugar added. Chalk 0. Ooh, cool. 6 cups. Well, I didn't expect that, and that's awesome. We will try those later, but let's see what kind of yarn we got here. Ooh, this is really pretty. This is 68% acrylic, 29 wool, and 3% polyester. All caked up and ready to go. This kind of feels like it's a 50 gram, size 3 to 5. So it's a little bit smaller. I would say it's probably a kind of a DK weight. Hello, it's time to make something. 2 skeins. Doesn't say how many. Did it say how much yardage was on there? 50 grams. Really doesn't say the yardage, which is kind of nice to know when you're kind of figuring out what pattern you want to make out of it. But look at that. I like this. Real pretty colors. Wow, I'm impressed. I was kind of worried because it said basic to soft to novelty, and I was worried I was going to get more of a novelty type yarn. But yeah, this is really cool. Let's see. Maybe this, what size hook did it say to use? D to F. So let's D, F. I think, what size is this? This is my Susan Bates. This is an I. Oh, a D. This might be it. We have GH. Well, this is an H, but let's take a look and see how it works. Well, I kind of like this one. I was pleasantly surprised, especially for $12. And it's got the monthly. I think you can also get just the kits. They're a little bit more pricey. I got the yarn only, mostly because it felt within the price range of less than $25. I have it over there on my computer, how much their other groups are. But yeah, that works. Well, that's really pretty. I always seem to get the marker on my finger for some strange reason. Yeah, so it's a very pretty yarn. I am happy with this. Definitely, I mean, I got the, not to bash anybody, but the Darn Good yarn. You got a hook and a needle with it as well. But you had just one small, and it was recycled sari silk skein, and it was $20. I really wasn't impressed by that, but I think they had just recently raised their prices. And but this KnitWise month to month, $12 free shipping. It also has a knit club and a monthly crochet club. They start at $29 a piece, so they're not really in the same, under 25. But I think if you want some interesting yarns, maybe something you don't see all the time here, they say these are all from Italy. KnitWise, and this is called Claude. Sounds like an Uncle Claude. But really pretty colors, kind of a deeper colors. It is a if you look at it, it's like a more like a roving yarn. It's a single ply. It maybe just a little scratchy, but it's gushy, and I think it would make a real pretty scarf, maybe some pretty gloves. But yeah, I'm definitely impressed with this one. It came in some nice packaging, and you got this really cool little surprise with it. This has been sitting here. I've been really curious about it. But yeah, it's I think it's definitely worth the $12. And I think people that maybe do the big box places and shop there might like this as a little treat. It's not real expensive. You get some interesting yarns, something a little out of the ordinary. It does not come with any patterns what to use. And my only other drawback on it is it just gives you the amount of grams on it, but it doesn't really give you the yardage. And like I say, it looks more like a DK weight. It's not really a fingering weight, not real fine, and it's not a, but yeah, very nice yarn. I think it's a nice, safely packed. Oh wait, there's something else underneath here. Need more yarn? Through the end of April, subscribers get exclusively 25% off all yarn. Use code KWCLUB at checkout. Oh, cool. Well, that's awesome. So if you get this and you want to make like a sweater and you don't have enough here, you can get 25% off. Awesome. Like, teach me to open the complete package, right? All right. Anyway, Claude, KnitWise, Zero Chocolate, sugar-free white chocolate peanut butter cups. Sweet. From Las Vegas, baby. Anyway, I think I would give this 2 thumbs up, especially for a lower cost kind of surprise. No telling what you're going to get. Different than your box store monthly subscription. I would definitely 2 thumbs up. And I think people will be very happy with what they get from this one here. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.